Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change double-click speed on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go to your search bar and search for Control Panel. And in the best matches, you'll find Control Panel. Just open this. And from here, make sure View By is set to large icon, not to category, not to small icon, but large icons. Then just go to Mouse. And from Mouse, make sure you're on the buttons tab, and here you'll find the double click speed. You can adjust this bar to go too fast or to go too slow. I feel like mine is perfect, so I'm just gonna keep it here and click on apply, click on OK. Just do this and just close this. It is sometimes recommended to go ahead and restart your system. If you want, you can do it or can just skip it because your settings have already been applied. And basically that is how to change double click speed on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.